Alright guys, I'm gonna be selling the SC. Just give you a little walk around with the car. You already know the door panels. They always do like that. We got that taped up. Alright, in here we got fuel pressure, we got the air fuel, then we got oil pressure, then we got boost, and then we got air water temp. We got a fire extinguisher back there. I know everybody want to see underneath the hood the goodies. Alright. Just doing a little walk around real quick. Passenger side. Door panel, need door panels. Pop the hood. Alright, so we got the, pretty sure this is the DSO2 igniter. Just bought that battery overflow radiator. This is CX Racing blow-off valve. Got the intake temp, catch can, clutch fan. Then we doing the precision. Pretty sure it's a 46 millimeter. I already had to get the manifold re-welded, put a brace up there because it broke on me because this was too long. My dump was too long, so we had somebody shorten it up. We got a make sure you see that it's a VS Racing turbo. You see right there. Max solenoid valve if you wanted to go to boost back gear. All the vacuum lines. It's wired up for subs too, but my subs. It's currently making 500 to the wheels on 93 PTFE hoses. Yeah. R154 transmission with the adapter from Drift Motion. That was like 400 bucks. Yep. I always keep spare coolant in the car, spare oil, just in case. I'm gonna pop the trunk. See, trunk clean. Yep. Put the camera here so we can start it up. Get a nice cold start for you. This is a cold start. Ain't start up at all today. You got the fuel pump priming, all the gauges. See what we can get on a nice cold start. You already know how the cold starts be. Get some more gas. It's all live, no edit. So you guys can see everything. Oil temps. RPM gauge work, fuel gauge work, temp gauge work, fuel pressure good. Let's go outside, show you the motor. Turbo spinning. Cold start. We give you a couple revs. on the exhaust. A little hanger. It's making a little rattling noise from the exhaust. Then the fuel pump stay prime for a little bit. This a full build, CP pistons, everything. Full build, and nothing else you can do to this. There you go. Let's see if I can get that, yeah, I can hear it. Trying to get that rattle. It's back here. Good. Yep. Just showing y'all that she runs. Can't do no launch control or nothing. She still gotta warm up, but yeah. Let's see. Now, for this, yeah, so you got the CX Racing Manifold, 1200cc injectors. They like Bosch remans. Just everything in this thing, man. Oh yeah, we converted coil on plug, main studs, head studs, CP piston, 2JZ GTE head gasket. It's like a 9-to-1 compression ratio. So, yep, that's about it. R154 transmission, new alternator, basically new everything. Just trying to really get the track off. Already got too many toys. You got the Q7. See? You got the G35. Custom paint. With flake also. And the roof of this car is dirty, man. I ain't even drove it. 5% tint as well. So yeah. I know y'all probably want to see the oil. I'll show y'all the oil here. Plenty oil. See that? Plenty. It's full. Yep, so a lot of gearbox noise when you do it. Then I got the dump tube out there in the front. Well, yeah. So, yeah, you gotta show a little hot. Yeah. All that stuff looks good. Fendi G35 wheels. Now I can show you the body. Body in good shape. Yeah, it's a G30. the SC. Put so much time and money in this car. I'm just trying to get a track hawk now. I know somebody gonna want it. Yep.